Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a Mardi Gras invitation, and we're going to start with basil cardstock. This one's from Amazon, however sometimes Michael's has them, so there's the information there. Okay, and we are also going to use the Recollections black paper or cardstock. And what you want to do is cut it down to 8.5 by 8.5. So here we have both the black and the purple, 8.5 by 8.5, and then we're going to score on each corner. Let me get this one first. So we're going to score on each corner 3 inches. Let me get my scoreboard. And here it is. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to score 3 inches all the way around. Okay, well, let me do the black one also. And the black one is done. So we have the black and we also have the purple. So we're going to fold now. So it looks like this. It's just a 6 by 6 cover. What I'm going to do is stamp on the black first, and I don't know if you could see that, you guys. We're using these stamps by Inkadinkadoo. I like this flourish stamp. You can use any flourish stamp, and then I'm going to use my stamp board for that. Okay, so now we are going to use some Versamark. And actually, I'm skipping ahead there. Let me go ahead and get my little powder. So this is the Versamark Resist embossing powder. And now we want Versamark. And we're going to emboss this in clear powder, and I'm using the Recollections clear. Kind of looks like the snow, however it's clear. And what it does is it just gives the black cardstock a darker black, and also some of course the embossing, the dimension. Let me move this out. Get that in here. And I'm gonna need a scrap sheet of paper. I should have used a white background. That would have been ideal. Okay, here we go. Now, let's see if we can get this. Okay. Like right there. Hope I'm not in the frame. Was I in the frame? Big head in the frame. Okay. So there's the first one. And I'm going to get a coffee liner for my embossing powder. That looks pretty good right there. So I'm going to do that for all 4 corners, and then I'm going to emboss that with my heat tool. Okay, I went ahead and embossed the stamp on here, and so it looks like that. I also did the back, so there's the back right there. You're going to get some in that embossing powder resist. It's going to make the black white. Just go over it with your fingers, and the oil from your fingers should take it all off. And so just all you have to do is rub it and it'll come off. So I went ahead and cut out this Mardi Gras mask, and I did it using an Etsy file, and it is by Digital Curio, and I will link that in the description below. I went ahead and used the one at the upper right hand corner, and it comes with some feathers at the top of some sort. However, you're going to have to snip that off with your scissors, or if you're going to print the clip art and make a template, just snip it off. And so this is what the end result was, and I wanted to use this color. I did cut out a black and also a foil gold. However, I think the glitter gold goes best, so I'm going to use the glitter gold on this one, and it's going to go like this. And I also made inside, you know, like an invitation. It's just something I whipped up really quick, and so it goes inside, and then it folds over, and there it is. And so let's go ahead and put the belly band on. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue the edge of this, this gold ribbon I got from Amazon, and it is called Supplies, and there's the SKU. It's a 5/8 inch satin gold ribbon, and so you're going to need some hot glue for this. So all we're going to do is we're going to put some hot glue on the ribbon right here on the edge, and then you're going to stick this on, stick the mask onto the glue, and just wait for it to dry. And this is the reason why we need the silicone material, or you can use something that doesn't adhere to the hot glue. So now what we're going to do is now measure it on to the invite, and we're going to wrap it all the way around, and we're going to cut where the edge of the mask is. There it is. And so now we're going to put the silicone under the mask and also under the ribbon. So now we're going to put glue on the ribbon. And this is the tricky part. And there it is, and just adjust it, and we're going to add some feathers to the middle of the mask, and I chose to go with green. You can pick these up at Michael's. And for the middle, to cover the flower, the feather, we're going to put this these rhinestones. I can't talk, it's so late right now. And so I got these at Hobby Lobby, and we're going to put it right on the top. And what you're going to use is also glue, hot glue for this. So just put a dollop of glue onto the rhinestone and adhere it on top of the feather. And there it is. So isn't that cute? Look at that. I love it. Mardi Gras is just around the corner. February, I don't know, February 14th or 15th. I'm not too sure, but around that time. And hopefully you guys like it. There's the back. There's the front. And you could do the same with the purple. And so for the purple, I wouldn't stamp anything on it because as you can see, there's some texture to the paper or to the cardstock. And what you could use is black instead of the gold, or you could use the foil gold, like so. Maybe we should do it now. Put that on, the gold foil. Yes, let's do that. Okay, so here's the purple and the black. So the purple is plain, it doesn't have any stamped emboss onto it, just like the black does. Only because of the texture on the cardstock. So here's the black, and there's the purple. Well, that's my video for today. Hopefully you guys like it, and if you're going to Mardi Gras, hopefully you guys have fun. And if you're having a Mardi Gras party, hopefully you'll use this invitation. And until next time, you guys, bye!